Hi, I'm Dr. Anjul. I'm a pediatric intensivist at Ankura Hospital, Gachibowli. Today I want to talk to you about few of the tips which is required for the parents because we are sending the children back to the school. Remember, it is a long break after which the children are going back to the school. So there are certain things which we have to take care as the parents. The first and more important thing is that make sure that your child bedside routine, that is getting up from the bed, going back to the bed, is being set up at least a week before the child goes back to the school. So a proper sleeping time is very important. Getting up little early before the school so that the child can do its all morning routine and will have sufficient time to have some food before they go to the school. And it is important that make sure that the child is well hydrated. Now that is the most important thing, because what happens is when the children go back to the school, they might not drink enough water over there. So make sure that the child drinks enough water to stay hydrated, because this monsoon season causes a lot of dryness in the nose and the mouth if the child is not drinking enough water. The other important thing is about the balanced diet. Make sure that the child food habit is being done well. Inform the child about the importance of eating a good balanced healthy diet. Most of the time the school will provide the lunch which is a healthy lunch over there, but in case if you're sending the lunch to the child, make sure that the lunch is easy to eat, it is full of proteins, so you can give some fruits, you can give him the nuts, the salad grade vegetables, the easy to pick up and eat food which has got a lot of proteins and a carbohydrates over there. This keeps the child healthy. And the other important thing is to tell the child about the safety rules in the school, how to get in, how to get down from the bus, the importance of the good touch and the bad touch. It is very important. The last important thing is that the children might get a little bit increase in the incidence of cold and cough when they go back to the school. Now this happens because of the transmission of the flu or the common cold viruses between the children. So the important aspect over here is to tell the child not to unnecessarily keep on touching the mouth or the nose if it is not required. Carry a kerchief or the tissue in case if the child sneezes or has to clean the mouth. The importance of cleaning the hand with the soap and water or the sanitizer frequently in case if they are touching something which is not being cleaned, and making sure that the child is being vaccinated well. All the vaccines, especially your hepatitis A and the typhoid vaccine and the flu vaccine for the season, is important over there. There is a trouble of COVID coming up, but I think right now it is a very mild thing, so we don't have to panic. And tell the child also not to get panicked and over, because they will also be reading about these things in the other social media. So stay safe and stay healthy, and I think with these tips your child will do well in the school. Thank you.